YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know it's my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Yes, I did get them, and we'll get into that in a second. But right quick, I got to pick up from Red Letters and Griselda. You want to check these out right quick, and then I'm going to take y'all to Takout. We're going to see what they got up in that joint when I went there to scoop up the Jordan 5 grapes. Y'all ready? And we'll talk about some other stuff in a second, but here we go. I've had these joints for a minute, and matter of fact, I got one more pair of shorts I need to get from them. So these are the first ones that I wanted. Why? Because these is going to bang with them shacks. And now that I see them up close, hell yeah. Matter of fact, I got to break out my shacks the other week, but yeah. There they go right here. See them right here. The RL right there. It looks like cow print to me, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, these are mesh shorts right here. I got them in a size large, pause if you have to. Bluish heart right there. RL right there. Black, white, and blue shorts. Got your drawstring right there. Red tips. They're not like metal or nothing like that. They're real squishy. Red Letters right there. But you know we gotta check. Oh, the pockets are too legit to quit. Pockets definitely too legit to quit. Hell yeah. Word. And in the back, you got the RL right there. Hell yeah. You know a pair of joints that I would really say would bang with these? At first, I would say they would, but now I'm not too sure. I was gonna say the Air Ups, but I don't know if that's that blue. But this, with them shacks, oh yeah. Rocking them joints soon. Next up, got them pinstripes. The Yankee colorway right here, hell yeah. You got your letters in cursive right there. These are pinstripe. I say like an off-white cream color. RL lettering right there with your navy blue heart. Yeah, these pinstripe joints is tight. Nice and comfortable for wear. Yeah, pockets are great too, hell yeah. We take to the back of these joints. Bow, there they go. They actually threw in a pair of socks. These joints look like they gonna hit with the MX 95. I don't feel like taking these joints apart, but yeah, what does it say? Oh, Race to Jesus, 174. Yeah, and I got one more pair right here. These remind me of like some DMV joints right here. Or, I mean, I get some rocks out of them. Word. Griselda time. I've been with these joints for a minute. I almost forgot what I got. 1, 2, 3. Damn, I thought I only had 2. Anyway. Let's see what we got. All right, first off, yeah, I didn't know I copped 3 joints. That was first off, it's that Cactus Jack right here. That Cactus Jack. Hell yeah. Got your scorpion right there, Fourth rope on the back. I heard it's Fashion Week, matter of fact, out in Paris. I heard it's a pop-up. So if anybody's out, pause if you have to. If anybody's out there, you know what I'm saying? My coin's kind of good.
That's $100. Stop playing with me.
I do not. Oh, yes. Okay. I do remember this one. Yeah. Shout out to my guy Ness. He was the one who convinced me to get this joint. What you know about it? Griselda by Fashion Rebels. It's a casino joint. On the back, you got Fashion Rebels. Yeah, I forgot about this. That's what's up. And then last but not least, they did have a mystery tee. Now, white tee, back up off me like hot coffee. This is the second time they hit me off with a white tee, but it's that heels joint right here. You can't shame me. John Cena, the heels, hell yeah. Definitely got to keep this one clean right here. John Cena on the front, heels lettering in black, fourth rope lettering right there. You got your red scorpions on each sleeve, and then you pray for me in red. And then fourth rope right there. Now, this is a reason why I do not like their white tees. Some reason the dye starts coming out of these joints, and I can see it. I don't know if you can, you see that right there? You see that right there? Yeah. So I had another one, I forget who the chick was, but I got another one I had to take to the dry cleaners, because when I got to DR, you know, ready to rock the joint, it had like, I think like where the paint might have like, or the dye might have like started seeping off. Yeah, and that kind of, yeah, I ain't really like that. So yeah, I ain't really one for the white tees, but this joint is straight. And shout out to my guy. I don't have it here with me now, but
I got it close by.
Shout out to you, Tech Kicks. Hit me off with the heel snapback to go with this, so hell yeah.
You all appreciate it.
But anyway, man, let's get into the video. I went to Takout to go scoop up these Grape 5s. I'll let y'all see what's up in this joint. Shout out to Takout, shout out to my guy Rome. Y'all ready? See you when I see you in a second when we talk about these sneaks out.
Kitted up the cars, came through and got applause. Rumor has it we pulled up looking like lords. If you the Virgin Mary, I'm marrying you tomorrow. Run and tell your boyfriend you had a baby by God. If Joseph fell for, why wouldn't he? Wouldn't we make a better story anyway, any day? If I let her come through the night, I bet she stay. Telling her friends how this isn't a petty play. He's a gentleman, but he's gangster like Reggie Cray. Rock steadily, baby, follow the melody. I give you all your blessings, don't put nobody ahead of me. When she starts sipping, she turns to a different pedigree. That's when she starts stripping, guess her religion is Hennessy. Baby, this is big God energy. If we have a shorty, I bet he'll be holy. And I don't ever trip, but I might have a fit if 3 other men show up to this hospital with gifts. You better make this make sense. I'm just saying. You over here got a baby by me, you got 3 other people showing up with gifts. Your boyfriend sitting over here confused. This dude over here claiming he the king, he wanna kill the baby. Man, I ought to just take what's mine and get up out of here. You got too much going on, shorty. Can't let you play the God like that. Right. Look, I don't mean harm, my love, I'm going through it. Forgive me, I know my insecurities be spewing. I know it's nothing to it but to do it. Unless you're Virgin Mary, no one do it but the truest. She throwing for a loop, hey, it's a fiasco. Where's my apostles? I need assistance. Shit is colossal. I was acting all nonchalant and macho. Now I'm at her door on my knees like Roscoe. God knows. Shit is serious. Even asking Siri where she is. Black Madonna, I've been curious if my inferiority is where you place your period. Overcompensation due to trauma I've been dealing with is always my excuse. I wonder if you're tired of hearing it. If so, I walk away. That's my problem and I'm wearing it. But I ain't picking up when you call acting like you care again. Bitch. Bitch.
Every backing, I'm trying to bring the racks in. Take me to that level I was at when I was trapping. They 11 every dime. Fuck it, order me a batch then. The plug just gon' add 2 extras. That's called the pack-10. Now figuratively speaking, you niggas only decent. I know enough bars to big crawl every weekend. I'm floating on this ghost like the rose through the beacon. The houses got the horses and garages like the Preakness. A few niggas talking spicy like Cardi when she ranting. It hurt when everybody yelling greatness like they chanting. What a time to be alive, the diamonds on me dancing. Hopping out the rape, the doors open like a pamphlet. When you forced to take the chances, ain't no pressure to demand it. My goal is make $1 million any way a nigga ran it. Now I'm ballin' like it's Kansas. Ferragamo Dior, the enhancement, advancing. Shout out to the label, cause they stamped it.
2 Glocks in the Smith & Wesson. Told my youngin' shoot them extra just to make sure niggas get the message. Aim low when you lift the weapon. Riding with that Danny Glover, same 45 from Lethal Weapon. Coca jumping back is bringing extras. The only choice they left us. I'm in my auntie kitchen doing metrics. So
all right, so yeah, it was definitely time that I got another pair. These are 2014 right here. And I've only rocked them 3 times. Yeah, don't clap, it's not funny. But yeah, man, I only rocked them 3 times. I wanted to rock them yesterday. These joints was talking to me, baby. I said, damn, all right. So these joints dropped today. I did have a chance, my dumbass. I slept on the one site for the low for the vets, past, present, and future already. Yeah, because I think on that one site, they were every bit of 167 or something like that, no tax. Whew, shout out to my guy Jonathan. He got, and Tommy Guns. Y'all cop. Next time I ain't gonna be sleeping. But anyway, yeah, man, so got them. I also hit on the Foot Locker app, but I said, you know what? I was gonna double up, but yeah, the way my budget is looking right now,
I'm broke as a joke.
It said no, but I think I will be able to eventually get another pair, and the resale ain't too crazy on them. I did see them up the block at Snipes, yeah, so I don't think these like flew off the shelves like that. And I believe it might be another restock. I don't know, you know how this shit go. But anyway, yeah, man, so looking at them, definitely a clean sneak. Had to get them. The only pair obviously that I didn't have, the OG pair, but I did have an older cousin that had a pair. I had the 06 the 14, God, you know what I'm saying? And these, and I was gonna double up. Let me know, did y'all double up on these? I was gonna double up because I thought about it. I said the last time that these dropped, well, and I don't have the Fresh Prince joint. I didn't really want those with no shoestrings. I was cool off that. But I was gonna, like I said, I was gonna double up because I thought about it and I said the last time these released with laces was 2014. And I was like, damn, that's 11 years. So but like I said, I think I'm gonna chill and I will eventually get that double up. But yeah, no, I definitely had to have these. Top 3-5 in my opinion right here. I remember Air Jordan t-shirt that my cousin had back in the day that would definitely hit with these. I know it's going for a pretty good coin. But yeah, man, I'm definitely happy that I got these Nike Air on the back finally. So this is my first pair with the Nike Air on the back. But in my opinion, out of everyone that I had, I think that 2006 pair was like the most rugged, and I still do have those. I would have did it on foot, but I do not have time. My bad about that. I get back to it, you know what I'm saying? But in summertime, man, it'd be a lot of ripping and running, a lot of different events out here. So, you know, I did get the pickup, you know what I'm saying? Let me know. Did y'all see anything in Takeout that y'all was eyeing? I do like some of those Godspeed tees, especially that USA joint. I might have the cop. And it's a pair of shorts at the back end, pause if you have to. I like those too, yeah. But anyway, man, yeah, so here they go right there. Yeah, I definitely had to get them. Let me know, did y'all cop? Did y'all double up? Did y'all triple up or whatever? Because I know a few of y'all in the comments gonna hit me like, yeah, I got 3 pairs, and that's what's up. But yeah, I got my pair for right now. Only problem I see is this one, you know, toe box a little crease, but that's what you're gonna get with 5s once you throw them on to rock them. So I ain't tripping. I'm just glad that I got a pair. Dead ass. Shout out to Takeout. Shout out to my guy Rome. You already. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that. I'm drunk. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter V. Oh! But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy, you already know I'm not drunk. This is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach, like I always like to say. See you when I see you.